Many people buy shark cartilage thinking only about their knees, but they miss out on other really important benefits. This supplement contains type 2 collagen, chondroitin sulfate, calcium, phosphorus, and proteins that, if used properly, can improve your well-being in multiple ways. Shark cartilage is available mainly in the form of dietary supplements in capsules or powders, and also in syrup forms. You can find it in natural product stores, pharmacies, and large online marketplaces. Shark cartilage is extracted from the skeleton of multiple species of sharks, since sharks do not have bones but their skeleton is made entirely of cartilage. Mainly, the endoskeleton or elastic cartilage of captured sharks is used, especially in the Pacific Ocean, for the manufacture of supplements and health products. Next, we'll review what it's really for and the latest benefits you've found, which you probably don't know about. Let's get started and find out how to make the most of it. Its best-known benefit is the relief of joint pain. The chondroitin sulfate it contains acts like a sponge that traps water, hydrating the cartilage and cushions the impact on the joints. In a 2018 trial, patients with osteoarthritis who took 750 milligrams daily for 3 months experienced 53% less morning stiffness. In addition, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus stimulate cells to make new tissue, so it not only relieves pain, but also helps regenerate cartilage. This is especially useful for those who run, they lift weights, or spend a lot of time sitting. A lesser-known benefit is related to skin and nails. Collagen and mucopolysaccharides from shark cartilage increase fiber density in the dermis. In a 2021 Japanese study, volunteers who consumed 1 gram a day for 8 weeks, they improved the elasticity of their skin by 18% and reduced the depth of fine wrinkles by 9%. The mechanism is direct. Peptides stimulate fibroblasts to produce new collagen. As an added benefit, nails are strengthened and hair can become thicker and stronger. Another very important benefit is the strengthening of the immune system. Cartilage glycosaminoglycans stimulate macrophages and increase immunoglobulin production. Some patients report that after 3 months of use, colds are less frequent. It works as a booster for your defenses, completely improving the entire immune system. We also found that consuming shark cartilage strengthens bone structure. The calcium and phosphorus in this cartilage are contained within a protein matrix that is easily absorbed by the body. In a study of postmenopausal women, consuming 900 milligrams for 6 months increased the density of the femoral neck by 2.4%. Although it may seem like a small number, in cases of mild osteopenia, it can be significant in preventing fractures. In addition, the manganese it contains activates a key enzyme for bone mineralization. For this reason, our grandparents recommended it to growing children and older adults so they could remain standing, strong, and active. So it's no coincidence that it's also credited with strengthening the lungs and clearing breathing. Those who take it notice that they can breathe better, that the air enters more easily, and that the feeling of suffocation disappears, as if the bronchi were expanding and oxygen were flowing more freely. In this sense, it is known as a great protector of the circulatory system and the heart, because it helps keep the blood flowing, and the heart works with less effort. For this reason, it is considered an ally that prevents blockages, heart fatigue, and venous problems, ensuring vigorous and clean circulation. In the same way, it is known to act on the balance of nerves and emotions, calming anxiety, providing serenity, and helping to sleep soundly. It's as if cartilage not only strengthens the body, but also helps it feel calmer. There is also a certainty passed down through generations that shark cartilage strengthens the kidneys and bladder, improving fluid elimination, cleansing the body, and avoiding urinary discomfort. In this way, it becomes a natural purifier, helping to maintain a natural internal balance. And if we talk about what's most surprising, we can't forget that it's a great protector against degenerative and serious diseases. Popular belief holds that because it comes from an animal that rarely gets sick, its cartilage holds a secret of immunity and longevity. For this reason, those who consume it feel more vitality in their daily lives. Shark cartilage is also valued as a natural support for the eyes, since in popular tradition it is attributed the ability to improve ocular circulation, keep the retina in good condition, and provide nutrients that help reduce eye strain, dryness, and fatigue caused by prolonged screen use or age. This way, it promotes clearer and more restful vision, protecting your eyes from daily wear and tear and supporting their long-term health. As if that were not enough, shark cartilage is a great natural ally against the feeling of heavy legs because it helps improve blood circulation, promotes the elimination of retained fluids, and reduces inflammation in the extremities so that the legs regain lightness, energy, and agility when walking or stand, providing real relief from fatigue and swelling. On the other hand, there is evidence from laboratory and animal studies that shark cartilage contains substances that can block the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors. If the growth of those new blood vessels that feed a tumor is prevented, it will not be able to receive oxygen or nutrients and will be reduced in size or die. Now that you know its benefits, it is important to know how to use it correctly. First, read the label to make sure it's 100% pure shark cartilage and that the daily dose is between 750 and 1,000 milligrams. Look for sustainability certifications, as several shark species are endangered. For best absorption, take with meals. If you have a fish allergy, consult a professional as it may contain traces. Finally, be patient. Results on joints can take 4 weeks, and for skin and bones, up to 8 weeks. As for safety, it is not toxic in normal doses, but it can slightly raise blood calcium levels. If you have kidney problems, kidney stones, or hyperparathyroidism, it is essential that you talk to your doctor before taking it. Abuse and the consumption of shark cartilage can cause digestive discomfort, dry mouth, or dizziness. It is contraindicated in people with hypercalcemia and those who take anticoagulants or blood pressure medications. Therefore, it should always be used with caution and under professional guidance. It is also contraindicated in pregnant women and during breastfeeding nor in children. In short, shark cartilage offers multiple very important health benefits. If you decide to try it, choose a sustainable product, be consistent for at least 2 months, and accompany it with exercise and a diet rich in quality proteins. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? I read you in the comments. What you share helps us all a lot. Remember, natural will always be the best medicine. I hope this information helps you maintain a healthy life. See you next time.